I don't have the data for the loss that was incurred, that because of the trapped miners. That is something that we'll have to collect. But yes, we have closed or suspended the rescue operations on the 8th of July 2021, and 3 bodies were recovered, and the NDRF, SDRF and the Navy have mentioned that they have tried their best. They had to dive in 150 feet to recover this, and they were not able to go any further. So based on that, the operations were suspended. And regarding the ex gratia that has to be given, it is very clear in the mandate that has been given by NGT that we will have to give. So therefore, we will be giving that once the identifications are complete and the family members are contacted. Then we will definitely proceed with the ex gratia payment that has to be given to them.